Welcome to the informative new Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel, and just to add here some options or to remove some of them, or just to change the position of the icons here, just click here to this plus icon, or on the right upper corner to these three dots and click edit buttons. After that, you'll see here this up section with all of the available buttons and options which we can add to our panel. So for example, just to add the camera access option, you should hold the icon and drag it here to this down section. Let's also add the microphone access, sound notifications on the, for example, the secure folder. So we can see that we just successfully add them. To remove some of these options, by the same way, hold for a while the icon and drag it to the subsection. To save the changes, click here to done, and as you can see, we'll just add or remove a couple of different options here. If you want to change the positions of the icons, by the same way, just hold the icon and drag it to the position where you want to just change it. For example, let's also move the NFC option to the second screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.